A Purdue University professor is helping analyze research gathered from the LA wildfires. In partnering with other universities, they have collected water and soil samples from property owners out west. Researchers are also looking at pools in the area. Professor Whelton explains that the fires have a lot of different impacts on the environment, and a lot of times homeowners and businesses are left with little guidance or financial support in cleaning up and recovering.
We've seen in Altadena, for example, homeowners discharging the contaminated pool water into the storm sewer, which goes into the ocean. In other cases, we have seen government agencies tell people not to do that, but they don't tell people what's in it, and they don't tell people what actually to do with it.
So this is so interesting because there's a lot of conflicting information and questions in the wake of disasters. So who's responsible for the oversight of this cleanup process? Who's responsible for testing the contaminants that are found on site or in pools? That was the example that he just gave there. Who's responsible for the environmental cleanup here? And then who's responsible for paying for it? So there are loads of questions that come with this, and experts are hoping that they can better help homeowners and businesses navigate the process, because when something like this happens, there's not like a regular playbook that gets put together and enacted when something comes together.
Well, it's devastating, obviously, for that to happen in the first place, and then you have to gather yourself and figure out what to do next, and for there to be so much confusion just adds to the mess.
Yes, so you might be asking the government a question, but the government says ask the insurance company a question, but the insurance company says we're only paying for the structure. So now you got to ask somebody else.
Wow. Well, Purdue working on it, clearly.
They're working on it. Okay.